राज्यात गेल्या 100 दिवसात तब्बल 1156 अपघातात 92 जणांचे बळी गेल्यानंतर आता प्रशासनाला जाग आली आहे। अपघातांची ही मालिका बंद करण्यासाठी मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर यांनी मंगळवारी वाहतूक खात्याच्या वरिष्ठ अधिकाऱ्यांची तातडीची बैठक घेतली। या बैठकीत त्यांनी वाहतूक अधिकाऱ्यांना चांगलेच कानपिसक्या दिल्या। बेशिस्त वाहन चालकांची अजिबात गय करू नका, त्यांच्यावर कडक कारवाई करा असा सक्त आदेश यावेळी मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी दिला। त्यामुळे बुधवारपासून राज्यात वाहतूक खात्याची विशेष मोहीम सुरू होणार आहे। दरम्यान वाहतुकीला शिस्त लावण्यासाठी स्पीडोमीटर्स, अल्कोमीटर्स, सीसीटीव्ही आदी आवश्यक ती अत्याधुनिक सामग्री खरेदी करण्याच्या सूचना मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकर यांनी यावेळी दिल्या। त्यामुळे बुधवारपासून रस्ता अपघात घटणार का हे बघावं लागेल।
There are two steps which we have taken. One is 50% of the vehicle जी पुन्नी झाल्या ती immediately रिप्लेसमेंटाक घाल म्हणल्यार अंडर DGSD रेट कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट त्यांचे आसता प्रोसिजर फास्ट ट्रॅकाचेर 1-2 म्हयन्या भितर एक्वायर करा म्हणल्यार। देन अल्कोमीटर इमिजिएटली जितले जाय तितले एक्वायर करपाक लागले सो दॅट ड्रिंकींग एंड ड्रायव्हिंग कॅनॉट बी मिक्स्ड। तिसरी गजाल रडार जे लागता लेजर हे इंटरसेप्टर न्हय रडार लेजर रडार जे आसता ते ट्रायपॉड माउंटेडूय आसता। इट नीड नॉट बी फिटेड ऑन एन व्हेकल। ट्रायपॉड माउंटेड केले जाल्यार एडवांटेज आसा इट कॅन बी शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम वन व्हेकल टू अनदर व्हेकल। सो दॅट इज बीइंग प्रोक्युर्ड ऑन top priority. All other miscellaneous items are being procured. Highway patrol is being shifted to traffic so that traffic can use management of the highways properly. आणि speeding आणि रॅश ड्रायव्हिंगाक चॅक करपा खातीर एक्शन चालू कर म्हणला। फाल्यांच्यान देर वील बी सिलेक्टेड पॉइंट्स वेर फास्ट पर्टिक्युलरली ओपन हायवे दिसलो की एक फास्ट चलोवपाची जी पळय आतां। ऑफकोर्स कालचो एक्सिडेंट वॉज नॉट नेसेसरली ऑन अ ओपन हायवे, इट वॉज इन अ डिफरंट एरिया, बट स्टील इट वॉज अ रॅश ड्रायव्हिंग। सो रॅश ड्रायव्हिंगाक एक कंट्रोल हाडपाचें डायरेक्शन दिल्या। मॅन पॉवर जवळ 70% तांच्यांनी मागल्या जाता ती 70% सादारण आसा तांचे कडेन। थोडे कडेन चड जाल्या ती ते रिशफल करतले, उरलेली आसा ती नॉर्मल रुटीन कोर्सांच्यान तांची वाडटली। सगळ्यांनी हेल्मेट घालणं हे आवश्यक आहे, ते घालायला पाहिजे। ते हेल्मेट नसल्यामुळे अनेक मृत्यू होतात। आणि रॅश ड्रायव्हिंग हा एक मोठा म्हणजे ॲक्च्युअली इट इज नॉट नंबर ऑफ व्हेकल विच इज कॉजिंग प्रॉब्लेम। ड्रायव्हिंग विथआउट फॉलोइंग ट्रॅफिक रूल इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लेम। सो एन्फोर्समेंट, training, these are all aspects, but we don't seems to be, I have seen so many times scooter wala coming from left trying to go fast. So there are, you have to follow, people also have to follow law. Everything is not government, everything is not police. If you ask me and if you check, you will realize that 60 to 70% of the accidents are due to rash and negligent driving. So people should take care of their own life. गाडये जितले हाल इल्लिगल आहा पळय तांकां काडपाक ऑलरेडी हायवे पेट्रोलाक सांगला। इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ज्या जाग्यार जायना त्या जाग्यार ते हळूहळू करून इम्प्लिमेंटेशन जातलें। इफ यू नाही यू आर टेलिंग मी वन स्पॉट, देर आर मेनी अदर स्पॉट्स वेर दिस इज हॅपनिंग। वी आर ट्रायंग टू गेट रोड सायड स्पॉट्स वेर दीस वेजिटेबल वेंडर्स हू आर द ओनली परमिटेड पार्ट ऑफ इट कॅन बी शिफ्टेड सो दॅट ट्रॅफिक इज नॉट bottleneck.
Yeah, today in meeting with CM sir, he has assured that all the modernization equipment for traffic and police will be provided, like speed radar gun, cameras, vehicles, everything will be provided and it will be implemented in Goa. From tomorrow onward, we will also implement rash and negligent driving, over speeding, all these challans will be implemented in Goa.
So will the traffic police deployed at various places in Goa?
Yeah, traffic police has been deployed at all places according to our strength. We have the chart in that, and we will also be given a few more vehicles from tomorrow onward, and we will start enforcing the traffic rules more vigorously.
Any particular spots identified for the accident?
We have identified many spots, more than 50 spots in Goa has been identified as accident prone, and we have identified around 37 spots as block spot, and we are taking continuous action on that.
Any alcometers has been.
Yeah, alcometer, speed radar gun, all modernization equipment will be provided to traffic police in a short time.
Anything on a helmet compulsion on all roads is like that?
It is already there.
No, all roads I mean, sir. It's on only on highway.
If you ride a vehicle, you have to have helmet.
Including in the
There is
city.
nothing like
City there, police was not
everywhere. It is the rule. Means there is no need for any clarification for it.
Presently, we are not taking action against the.
No, we are taking action. We are taking action on helmet. Every traffic rule violation, we are taking action. But and there is a rule. You have to ride with helmet only.
So
For
we have
pillion rider and for the rider itself. For both, it is the rule.
Sir, we have seen in the rural area there are hardly any traffic cops deployed there. I mean, there are the many places that people don't wear helmet or they are violating all the rules.
We mainly enforce the rules where more accidents are taking place. Mainly we do it because of our strength. But the rule is that you have to wear helmet whenever you ride a bike, two-wheeler. Because if you are caught somewhere, maybe in rural area or urban area or on highway, you will be challaned for it. We enforce where more accidents are taking place, we enforce according to our manpowers we have, according to its deployment, where we concentrate more.
Any plans to put the CCTV cameras on the highways or any other major roads?
Yeah, it is there in Smart City project in Panjim especially, and we are considering for other cities also. We have
Sir,
just
we
put
have
up the
seen your
proposal.
speedometers, the vehicle, the interceptors which were used for the things to see the speed of the vehicle. So those are not non-functional. Are those functional or you will be going for?
We will do it by digital cameras, and procurement of more speed radar gun and vehicles is best on the process.